y'all, welcome back. Today I'm doing an afternoon tidy up around the house while my boys take a nap so I can stay on top of the house so it doesn't get too out of hand. I need to pick up the toys around the house, do a quick little maintenance clean in the bathrooms, and my main goal today is to get the floors vacuumed because they need it really bad. And I'll show you just how much stuff I vacuumed up later on in the video. I already washed the sheets for all the beds this morning, so I have that done. So just follow along and see how much stuff I get done this afternoon. My oldest son started getting to bed with us in the middle of the night like a year and a half ago, and now my youngest just recently started climbing out of his crib, and he also comes in our bed in the middle of the night. So we have like no room to sleep with the four of us in this queen bed. I'll get up in the middle of the night and move them back to their own bed sometimes, but that doesn't always happen, and sometimes they still come back. I've been looking at king beds lately because we need to upgrade sooner rather than later because of all this. After chasing two toddlers around all day, I crave some good sleep at night, so we definitely need to do a bigger bed like now. You can't see it, but the windows are full of fingerprints and smudges. My toddlers cannot resist a good clean window to touch. I cannot wait until springtime so I can get outside and clean all of them from the inside out.
Behind the blue, I'm thinking about you, and I'm thinking about you, all the things we could do, if I was so bad enough, and so you met my friend. This party's not that amazing. Your friends are skin and bones. She can never replace.
I'm not going to do a deep clean in the bathroom today, just more of a quick pickup and a touch-up cleaning. I like to wipe the toilets down a few times a week just to keep those clean because I do have a boy toddler using the potty now, so that just speaks for itself.
Next day, first I regret it. Had to find a cure for my headache. your crush. Now you're acting a little crazy. Just face the simple fact, he was never in love. And we're the best he'll never have. The best you'll never have. The best you'll never have. We're the best you'll never have. We're the best you'll never have. We're the best you'll never have. I'm the best you'll never have.
When did we make it so cold? The air is too thick to breathe. I wonder when you're coming home at 4:05. Just where have you been? I can tell from your breath that you've been drinking. Lying seems so easy to you. Just wanna know what you're thinking. Nothing comes easy when it comes to you. You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? All you do is find new ways to hurt me. You just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. You just act like it's fine. Oh no, it's not alright. It's not alright. It's not alright. Remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? Now all we do is put out the fires. It's not how we used to be. I can sit here and talk about the memories, but I guess that's not what you wanna do. So I just wanna know what you're thinking, 'cause nothing comes easy when it comes to you. You said you wanted to know me.
I'm not one to vacuum around my smaller rugs. I always take them up all at once before I vacuum, just because it makes it 100 times easier to get the chore done quickly and without anything in my way. It's something I highly suggest doing to make vacuuming a smoother process. And also shake your rugs outside and not inside to reduce the dust settling everywhere.
What did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new ways to hurt me. When you just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. It's not alright.
I get a lot of comments on where my cordless Dyson vacuum went, so I wanted to clear that up for a few of you asking, because I did get rid of it. I was a fan of the cordless Dyson when I first got it, but the battery always died on me while I was vacuuming, and I always felt like I had to rush vacuum the whole house and beat the clock before it died. Now, even though I could have gotten an additional battery, I just didn't, because I didn't want to spend more money on an already expensive vacuum. And another thing that bothered me about the cordless is that I truly feel that it's less powerful compared to a corded one. So that's why I went back to a corded. I think that cordless vacuums are great for quick messes, but just not for a whole house use. And with that being said, now that I have kids, they do make small messes all the time, and we do occasionally bring out the broom and dustpan to clean it up. So I'm not opposed to getting another cordless vacuum just to have for those small situations only. I've been through a lot of Sharp brand vacuums, and that brand is by far my favorite. It has never steered me wrong, and the vacuums I get are always great quality, and they do a great job. Granted that I do always pick out the more expensive ones. You get what you pay for when it comes to vacuums. The cheaper, the less powerful, and the more expensive, the more powerful. That's just how I feel about the situation. The vacuum that I have now is a Shark, and I will link that down below if you want to check that out. But this one is my favorite one that I've gotten so far. I'll elaborate more on it in my next cleaning video, but this one has been absolutely awesome.
What did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new ways to hurt me. When you just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. It's not alright. making so cold. The air is too thick to breathe. You remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new ways to hurt me when you just want.
This is laundry from today, and then some that I didn't feel like folding last night because I was way too tired. I just threw it on the floor and saved it for today. I try to always wash the kids' clothes separately because it's easier to fold when I don't have all of our clothes mixed up with theirs, but that's definitely not what happened this time, so I'm just dealing with it and getting it done. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Maybe y'all don't need to do a deep cleaning your house right now, but just a little tidying up like I did today. And you just need a little motivation to get it done. Hopefully this video will help you out and get you moving. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.